Welcome to our Pain Relief Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular foot and leg massagers, the Fit King leg massager and the Medcursor foot massager. Both promise to alleviate pain and improve circulation, but they do so in different ways. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out for your needs. The Fit King massager covers both the feet and calves, making it ideal for those suffering from swelling and poor circulation in the entire lower leg. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager focuses solely on the feet, providing targeted relief for foot pain and fatigue. If you need full leg coverage, the Fit King is the way to go, but for dedicated foot therapy, the Medcursor excels. The Fit King utilizes air compression to simulate kneading and stroking, providing a gentle massage that helps with circulation. Meanwhile, the Medcursor offers a combination of Shiatsu, rolling, and air compression, delivering a more intense and deep tissue massage. If you prefer a softer touch, the Fit King might suit you better, while the Medcursor is perfect for those seeking a more vigorous massage experience. One significant difference is the heat function. The Fit King does not offer any heat, which may be a drawback for those who enjoy the soothing warmth during their massage. On the other hand, the Medcursor includes a heat feature that enhances relaxation and can help soothe tired muscles. If warmth is essential for your comfort, the Medcursor is the clear winner here. In conclusion, both the Fit King and Medcursor foot massagers have their unique strengths. The Fit King is perfect for those needing comprehensive coverage for the legs, while the Medcursor shines with its deep tissue massage and heat function. Depending on your specific needs, either could be a great addition to your relaxation routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.